Good morning students. Today we can learn about animal tissue. Already we know that tissues are of two types. They are plant tissue and animal tissue. Now we can learn about animal tissue. Animal tissues are of four types. They are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. What are the four types of animal tissues? Epithelial tissues, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Okay, let's see about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue made up of closely packed cells. These tissues are made up of closely packed cells. Between two cells there is no any spaces. Okay, epithelial tissue is made up of closely packed cells. Between two cells there is no any spaces. Epithelial tissue is present all over the body. Where is epithelial tissue present? Epithelial tissue present all over the body. Okay, it is present single layer or multi-layer. Epithelial tissue present may be single layer or multi-layer. The single layer of epithelial tissue is called simple epithelium. Single layer of epithelial tissue is called simple epithelium. And multi-layer of epithelial tissue is called stratified epithelium. Understand students? Epithelial tissue is present maybe single layer or multi-layer. The single layer of epithelial tissue is called simple epithelium and multi-layer of epithelial tissue is called stratified epithelium. Understand? Okay. What is the uses of epithelial tissue? The epithelial tissue only cover whole body. Okay, with the help of skin. Epithelial tissue present all over the body. Okay, and then epithelial tissue covers the internal organs like branchioles and stomach. Branchioles and stomach. See, what's the meaning of branchioles? See the picture. See. This part is called branchioles. The tube-like pattern is called branchie. The tube-like pattern is called branchie. This pattern again divided into two. Yes or no? Again divided into two tubes. The two tubes called branchiole. These parts are made up of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue where it is present all over the body and it covers the epithelial tissues covers the internal organ. Which part? Branchiole. This parts covered the epithelial tissue. The dividing part is called branchioles. Okay, the dividing part is called branchiole. This parts covered the epithelial tissue. And then stomach. Epithelial tissue where it is present? Internal organ, branchioles and then stomach. Okay, and then what is the main functions of epithelial tissue? The epithelial tissue protects our body against infection. What is the main functions of epithelial tissue? Protects our body against infection. Okay, and prevents dehydration. What is the meaning of dehydration? Excess water will release from our body. Yes, for example, if we have diarrhea means what will happen there? Excess water will be released from our body. Yes sir. If excess water release continuously from our body, what will happen there? We can feel tired. Yes or no? This process release the help of dehydration. See, dehydration reduces the water from our body. If excess water will be released from our body, what will happen there? We can feel tired. Okay, this happen with the help of epithelial tissue. The help of epithelial tissue. Okay, the epithelial tissue is useful for secretion and absorption. The epithelial tissue also used for secretion and absorption. Skin contain oil glands. The oil glands secretes the oil. Yes or no? The oil glands only secretes the oil. The oil glands where it is present? The skin. The skin contain epithelial tissue. How it secretes? The oil gland secretes the oil with the help of epithelial tissue. Okay. The epithelial tissues are present in 4 types, that is squamous epithelium. That is squamous epithelium. Second one, columnar epithelium. Third one, ciliated columnar epithelium. And fourth one, cuboidal epithelium. The epithelial tissues present in 4 types. They are squamous epithelium. Second one, columnar epithelium. Third one, ciliated columnar epithelium. And fourth one, cuboidal epithelium. Okay. A squamous epithelial tissue where it is present? Skin and blood vessels. Skin and then squamous epithelial tissue where it is present? Skin and blood vessels. What is the meaning of blood vessels? Blood transport with the help of tube-like structure, that is called as the blood vessels. That part is made up of epithelial tissue. The cells of epithelial tissue flat-like structure. Okay, the cells are how it's present? Flat-like structure. Okay, and flat-like structures to form a protective layer. Okay, this is called as the squamous epithelium tissue. The squamous epithelial tissue where it is present? Skin and then blood vessel. The structure of cell, flat-like structure, it acts as a protective layer. Understand? And second one is called as the columnar epithelial tissue. Columnar epithelial tissue. This type of tissue present in stomach and small intestine. Columnar epithelium tissue where it is present? Stomach and then small intestine. These cells are pillar shaped structure. These cells are pillar shaped structure. See, the cells are how it's present? Like a pillar. The functions of this tissue: secretion and absorption. What is the functions of columnar epithelial tissue? Secretion and absorption. Okay, and then third one, ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. Ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. This type of tissue present in windpipe. This type of tissue where it is present? Windpipe. Okay. What is the use of this ciliated columnar epithelial tissue? We intake air, no? How it's enter into the body? With the help of ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. Okay. And then last one, cuboidal epithelial tissue. This type of tissue present in salivary glands. Salivary glands where it is present? In the mouth. Okay, what is the structure of this cell? These cells are present like a cube. Okay, this type of tissues, cells are present like cube-like shape, cube-shaped structure. Okay, and then each cell has equal length and width. Each cell has, see the picture, each cell has equal length and width. Okay, this is see the picture. This is See again. First one is called epithelial tissues are of 4 types. First one is called squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelial tissue where it is present skin and then blood vessels. Okay, the cells are present flattened, so it acts as a protective layer. And second one is called as the columnar epithelial tissue. The columnar epithelial tissue where it is present stomach and then small intestine. Stomach and then small intestine. The cells are present like pillar. Cells are how it's present? Pillar like structure. Each cell has each cell has length of cells has greater and width has less. Okay, length of cell has greater and width has less. Okay, what is the uses of columnar epithelial tissue? Secretion and absorption. And third one is called as the ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. This type of tissue where it is present windpipe. What is the use of this ciliated columnar epithelial tissue? We intake air, that air easily enter into the body with the help of ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. And last one, cuboidal epithelial tissue. This type of tissue present in salivary glands. Okay, what is the help of this salivary glands? Ciliated epithelial tissue, secretions of saliva. Okay, what is the shape of the cell? It's present like a cube. The cells are present like cube. Each cell has equal length and width. Okay, students, today we have learned about epithelial tissue and their types. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.